You or a loved one need personal assistance and care. Whether recovering from an injury or illness, or just needing help with daily tasks, we recognize that making decisions during this time can be confusing and overwhelming. Our trained staff of nurses offer free advice and in-home assessments to help you and your loved ones make the best and safest personalized care plans. We also offer information on local agencies that can help with meals and financial sources to assist in caring for you. Care Connections is physician-owned and nurse-managed by a registered nurse with over 20 years of local home care experience. Important combinations to ensure you receive the best of care in the best of places. Care Connections services include 1-hour to 24-hour home care visits, discounted couple, overnight, and 24-hour care packages, extensive hands-on personal care such as bathing, eating, and grooming, homemaking and companionship, medication assistance, transportation, mobility wellness, and just as importantly, comfort and security. Care Connections will provide that peace of mind that is so important when providing in-home care to those in need of special services. Experience and medical knowledge do matter. With Care Connections, you get both.